It's May, it's Women's Health Month, and I'm gonna share with you a blend today that supports women's health. I'm Katie, I'm a certified aromatherapist from Simply Earth, and I love teaching people how to use essential oils. And today I'm gonna be sharing with you all about the Lady's Choice Essential Oil blend. This blend is specifically formulated to help ease and soothe symptoms related to PMS. So symptoms like pain and stress can both be soothed with this blend. Let's take a look at the oils that make up this Lady's Choice blend. First is Clary Sage, which is known for its ability to help soothe muscles that are cramping up, which is a symptom of PMS. Also in this blend is Marjoram, which is also really good at pain relief. Geranium is also in this blend, which is calming and uplifting. Last oil in this blend is Lavender, which is calming and soothing and can help ease pain. What I love most about this blend is that it's a toxin-free way to support and soothe symptoms related to that time of the month that can slow you down. This blend helps keep me going. Some things to remember when using Lady's Choice blend. It is generally non-irritating to the skin. Just always remember to dilute it before applying it to your skin. This blend is safe to use with and around kids ages 2 and up. Avoid using this blend around cats as it can be irritating to them. Leave a door open so that they can head on out if they don't like the aroma. This blend is generally safe to use around dogs. For more information on the Lady's Choice blend, check out the blog post in the description box. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to get more great videos like this one.